Hello, I'm Dr. Gokula Priya from Tamil Nadu. I'm a practicing obstetrician gynecologist in my own hospital. Starting from the basics like the anatomy, physiology, the andrology part, the semen preparation, taking us through the difficult topics up till the recurrent implantation failure or even the third party reproduction, the embryology part. So in this way, each topic was covered, and after each topic, we also had a small assignments to be completed. That ensured our understanding of those particular topics. And I should really mention about Kamini Rao ma'am, whose classes we've been always looking forward to. When we attend the classes, she used to give her all, and she used to clarify all the doubts, and even the tiny aspects, especially her third party reproduction class was very useful. She made us think like, what is right, why this is not legally right, and the legality aspects of the ART law and all, she taught very well. So I'm really blessed to have got access to this course and to have been with them for this past 1 year. And following that, we had the simulation training program at Medline Academics, wherein we could practice on the real-time simulated modules for OM pickup, embryo transfer, and also the diagnostic hysteroscopy. So the OM pickup modules were designed in such way that from easy cases to the most difficult cases, from less number of follicles to more number of follicles, we could train ourselves in the OPU. And similarly, in embryo transfer also, we had simple cases of embryo transfer wherein the uterus and cervix were in alignment, and also those cases where there was some stenosis, how it would feel. The simulation modules were in fact more close to what we have in the clinical real life situation also. So after joining the FRM courses, like even after initial few classes, I felt there was a great improvement in my knowledge and in the way I could counsel patients. And as it improved my understanding of IUI and IVF, I could counsel the patients better. Although I don't have a center of my own, for me to counsel them regarding the pluses and minuses of each procedure and why they have to go for the next technique, it was very useful. And in this way, even I could convince them to go for the higher procedures when they need arise for them. Because I have seen patients shifting from one hospital to another hospital doing the same treatment, but not shifting to the next level in the protocol. But after joining the course, I felt that we shouldn't waste the patient's time and energy. Instead, we have to guide them in the right way, such that it will help them in attaining pregnancy as soon as possible in the most correct way. And for anybody who's looking forward to learning infertility and to break the ice about the fear of practicing infertility, I think Medline Academics offers you the best platform, and they have the systematic and structured approach to teaching reproductive medicine. So yes, you can go for it. Thank you.